That is tough. Kei aku nui, kei aku rahi, anei rā, a haka feels.
Ours just make sure that everyone knows who we are.
Te whāinga matua, kia rangatira tutu, kia Whanganui tutu.
Hear my brother say, stop.
I want to win. I want to win.
Let's go! Anei a haka feels, te mihi atu nei.
E te ti e te tai hoa mā nau mai hono mai ki ngā whenua mato rawa atu o Whanganui. O tira ki te kura rangatira nei o Whanganui Collegiate. Kia ora everyone and welcome into the lush pastures, the slightly wet pastures I should say at the moment of Whanganui. That is to the renowned rugby academy. That is Whanganui Collegiate School ki tēnei kēmu hika rawa atu kei Whanganui a rātau. Me ngā manuhiri o tira ko hato paora. No kirikiri roa to this exciting fixture between the hosts and the visitors, St Paul's Collegiate coming in from Hamilton. Two different starts to the season for these two teams. St Paul's sitting atop the table. Karea no kia hinga, yet to lose a game. Whanganui karea no kia toa, yet to win. But that home advantage, the wet conditions, Whanganui with the bye last week. St Paul's pushed all the way in their fixture. You just can't quite call it. Still plenty of intrigue to come. Tera pia, ka tai e koutou te kite te māku kua ua, kua tai mai te āwha me ki ngā rangi kua hipa. You can see it's had a bit of rain. The storm has been through in the past few days, and it's a rather boggy pitch, I should say, here at Whanganui. But a big shout out to all the ground staff. Even with all that moisture, they have made it look absolutely pristine. Fantastic conditions for maybe some more old-fashioned rugby. Nō rari a tātou, e tatari ana mō ngā tima e rua me titiro ki ngā raina as we wait for the two teams to enter the field. Let's have a look at the two lineups. First on the side of the host, Whanganui Collegiate. Largely unchanged team. The props, Sherritt and Humphrey with Gibbs at hooker. Maben, Prouting, Devane, Alders, captain. Wakani Sau at number 8. Utukoro, Malo, Stark, Afamasanga, Eamon, McDougall, Smith. And the impact, Hadfield, Karatau, Ashworth, Pugh, Mo, Simmons and Ormsby. O tira ki te taho o ngā manuhiri o tira ki Hato Paora. And on the side of the visitors, the side of St Paul's Collegiate. Hull, Hill Brown as captain, Kennedy Ware, Young, Benjamin Boynton. Young, the two co-captains there, Hill Brown and Young. Silich, Hay, Smith, Birch, Thompson, Blake, De Bruin, Thompson again, Kahotea, Kibbe, McLeod, Very, Kilmister. And the 22, Van Hallemons, Beto Rātou, Kaiako, Daniel, Deka. Ana koera tāku I ki ai, te timatanga o te pāpāho nei, kua rereke tēnei tau mō e nei tima e rua. As I said at the start of the broadcast only a few short seconds ago, a different sort of form, I should say, being brought into this fixture by the two teams. Whanganui kua uaua, tēnei tau mō rātou, hato paora, e rere tonu wana ki runga rawa. Difficult one for Whanganui. St Paul's flying on top. Engari, I ēnei kēmu, I tēnei taumata, o te whutuporo ākura, hei aha, nā kēmu o mua, ko te mea nui, ko te rangi nei. At this level in first 15 rugby, form previous games don't matter. And the most important thing is the fixture on the day. So Whanganui will no doubt bring in some serious belief that they can cause an upset here against the joint league leaders, I should say. St Paul obviously tied with St Peter's from Cambridge. Mimi ka tika nōki ki ngā kaitautoko tēnei kaupapa o tira kia whakaata MāORI Plus e pāpāho ana I tēnei whakataitai katoa ki ngā kokona e whā o Aotearoa Whānui. And of course a massive shout out to our sponsors MāORI Plus, Whakaata Māori as well, broadcasting this competition across Aotearoa. Live and on demand, mo te korutu hoki, and for free. He mea nui tērā I tēnei ao, e hoa mā. Cannot really understate how big that free aspect is in this economy. You can't be affording to pay for another subscription, I'm sure. Tai e koutou ki te etahi o ngā kaitautoko, kua tai tonu mai, aha ko te āwha, aha ko te ua. Tautoko kahana I o rātou hoa a rātou tamariki aha ko te aha. You can see some of the supporters starting to roll in, despite the rain, despite the storm, getting in, supporting their friends, their tamariki, showing some fantastic commitment despite the weather to get out and show their boys some love and support from the sidelines. Ko ra tētai atu painga mea ki te hau kāinga kei rātou, te nuinga o ngā kaitautoko, te roanga hoki o te harenga mai i kirikiri roa, ki konei, ki Whanganui. Tērā pēr ka tuku iti ngā kaitautoko mō ngā manuhiri. Another advantage there for the home side, as I get myself tongue-tied. We're only a minute into the broadcast here, Tiwi. I can't be stuttering this early on. However, a long journey from Hamilton for St. Paul's might see an advantage in terms of the sideline in favour of Whanganui. Just another thing that might be able to inspire them here to search an upset against the league leaders. Kei reira hoki, ngā kaiwa wao. E uru atu ana ki te papa I nai anei. As we see two of the referees making their way onto the field. Me te mihi nunui hoki, kia rātou katoa ngā kaiwa wao. Ngā tāngata I te mā me te māwhero. Mei kore ake rātou e kore tēnei whakataitai e tū. Nō reira me mihi ka tika kia rātou katoa te tūa papa o tō tātou nei hākinakina. And a big shout out, of course, to all of our referees, our fantastic volunteers in the white and the pink. Without them, this competition would not be able to go ahead, so we do give a massive thank you to each and every one of them, laying the foundation for our hākinakina, for our futupōro. Kei reira e tahi hamarara, mā me te pango me te kōwhai, nō reira I konei e tahi kaitautoko. No Hato Paora, you can see those umbrellas, the white, black and yellow, famous colours of St. Paul's. So they definitely have a couple sideline. No doubt they'll be using their voices as best they can to get their boys over the line today. Mea kupu, kei ngā pōraka, e rua o era kaiwa wao, positive vibes only on the two jackets of our referees. Fantastic movement, fantastic reminder. Aha ko te whakataitai, aha ko te taumaho e tahi o nei kēmu, ko te mea nui ko te whanaungatanga, te mea nui ko te whakaute kei Whanganui I ngā tima e rua. A nice reminder there. Despite the competitive nature, despite how important these games can be, the most important aspect is respect and honour in these first 15 fixtures. And those positive vibes only jackets, just reinforcing the wairua that we like to see around our futupōro. E rua noa ngā meneti e toi ana ki te timatanga o te kēmu nei. Just 2 minutes left to the scheduled start time for this game. Nō reira kore ka ki te ākua nei I ngā tima e rua. E uru atu ana ki te papa. No doubt we'll see the two teams making their way onto the field just shortly. See the sideline making their way onto the field. Kore o te tino mōhio. Kia hara rātou e mahi nei. Not quite sure what they're up to. Maybe they decided to get in there, bolster their boys' ranks a little bit. Me te mihi hoki ki te kura rangatira nei o Whanganui Collegiate. Ia wā ka tai te whakataitai nei ki tēnei kura. Ka rawe ngā papa, ka rawe ngā tahi rua. Tino whakātu rātou I te manaakitanga ki ngā tāngata katoa he tai atu ai ki tō rātou kura. And another big thank you as well to Whanganui Collegiate. Each and every fixture that is hosted here. The fields are pristine. The sidelines are beautifully organised. Really showing some fantastic manaakitanga to each and every person that arrives upon their grounds. Fantastic school. Fantastic institution here in Whanganui. One of the oldest schools in Aotearoa. And obviously a part of that fantastic quadrangular tournaments that took place only last week. Te mana, te hītori hoki, no e nei kura e rua. Plenty of prestige and history for both of these two schools. Kare hoki te kaiwawa matua, and there is our head referee getting his stretches in, making sure those quads are nice and loose. Tāku noa ina nahi rā, I mahi ahau, I taku rā waiwai me ki. A couple days ago I had my leg day. Wouldn't have minded doing a couple more stretches myself. I'm still feeling my quads well and truly to this very hour. Might need to get in touch with that referee, find out his warm-up routine. Ia tātou, e tatari tonu ana mō ngā tima e rua. As we continue to wait on the two teams. Kia rātou te mana, kia rātou te wā. They obviously have the authority and they control their own time. Nō reira, te mea nui I tēnei wā kore kore. Ia heinga mō ngā kaiako e rua. Te tuku I o rātou whakatena, o rātou whakaro whakabutunga ki a rāua. Tima, I mua I te timatanga o tēnei kēmu. No doubt precious moments here for both coaches to give their final thoughts, final encouragements to their two teams. Looks like we've got St. Paul's on the far sideline, Whanganui on the near sideline. Not sure why we decided to split the two sidelines up. They seem to be very amicable. But I guess maybe as the game goes on, we don't need anyone getting a little bit feisty on the sidelines. We've seen some of the parents in the previous weeks show some passion, I should say, for their respective teams. So I don't mind it. Kia wehe wehea, kia haumaru tonu ai. Tētai atu āhuatanga. E hara tēnei, I te whakatoi, I te whakatika rānei. Engari, hara te mea he tino teitei taua taiapa ki taua tahata wāhi. Not a complaint here, but previous games I've commentated here, that fence on the far side is not particularly tall. And those cars are only about a metre beyond it. And I have seen countless balls thudding off windshields, roofs, into cars. Yet to see any serious damage done. Engari, tērā pēr koe rā te kēmu. That might be a bit of a game, parking your car just beyond that fence. Taking the risk, rolling the dice. Te tūmanako nei, ka tika tonu hei te mutuko te kēmu. Hopefully no damage done by the end of the fixture. Ia tātou, e ki te ana, I te hau kāinga. E whakatatana ki te papa I nāianei, and now we see the hosts, the home team, Whanganui Collegiate, in those famous white jerseys, making their way to the fields. Te āhuatanga o te rangi nei, tērā pēr, kariera e tino mātonu, hei te mutunga o te kēmu nei, with the way that this weather is shaping up. You wonder if they might be that same level of whites by the end of the game. Shout out to whoever's doing the laundry for Whanganui Collegiate. They might have a big afternoon. Kareno kia kite I ngā manuhiri. Yet to see the visitors make their way out of their dressing room. Just using all the time available to them here. Koe tino whetū mai ngā tima e rua. A couple players to look out for on both sides. The captains, Maben for Whanganui and Young for St. Paul's Collegiate, as we see. Whanganui led out by their captain, that is Maben. Some other serious stars, Jack Amon. Plenty of danger out on the wings from Stark and McDougall. And now we see St. Paul's making their way onto the field. Plenty of caps. Koera tētai atu tikanga o te whutupōro ākura I tēnei motu. That's another aspect of first 15 rugby, another tradition, I should say, for school rugby here in Aotearoa. Ka whiwhi pōtai te tāngata, te kaitākaro me ki. You obtain a cap after a certain number of appearances, and you can see on the Whanganui Collegiate side, only a handful of boys with those caps on St. Paul's, the majority of the team. Nō reira, tērā pēr he tohu tērā o te rangatahi. Te rangatahi o Whanganui, tēnā I St. Paul's. Perhaps a slightly more youthful side for the home team, as opposed to St. Paul's. Majority year 13s, year 12s. The culmination of the past few years of development, and goodness me, have they hit the ground running so far in 2026. Nō reira, kia kāti te koro I reira. I'll let my waffling in there so you can all enjoy this fantastic tikanga. Hara, ko te haka. Au e te ihi, te wehi, te wana, te mana. O e rā tima e rua, e tūkahana mō o rātou kura. E whakātua nei tō rātou whakahi. Ki o rātou kura e rua. Plenty of energy, plenty of effort on display for the two teams, showing plenty of pride in their schools, giving their all in the haka. I'm doing a pretty good job of it as well, I must say. Not calling myself a haka expert, but I do tend to know a good one when I see one, and those are pretty solid. Nō reira ko te āhua nei, Katsumata, a hato paora, mai te matau ki te maui, Whanganui mai te maui ki te matau. It will be St. Paul's to get us underway from right to left. Whanganui, the hosts, from left to right, receiving the kickoff. Kau, kua whakawhitia. Last minute switch up, just to make me look like a bit of a fool. In fact, Whanganui will be starting. That's what I get for trying to jump the gun. And ko tētai mea tina whakahirihira I nei momo kēmu ko te mahi o ngā paumua. One of the most important aspects of these types of games, the wet and windy ones, is the work of the forward packs. How can they get stuck in and establish some physical dominance in and around the breakdown, as we see the first tapo te kēmu no reira. E kakari ke kia Whanganui mai te timatanga. Already a scrum for Whanganui off the get-go. Attacking opportunity. Chance to get on the board early. Katimata no. Raruana. Ngā pau waho, ngā pauroto hoki. Just a couple of issues for the props there in the sets. Perhaps a bit slippery underfoot, but we will go again. Sua I te rua te kaumāroa mita. Putskoro with the feed. Strong scrum from St. Paul's, looking to drive through, and they do. Their few tuatai o te kēmu nei kia hato paora, te kaha hoki o taua kōkiri. I te kakari rā, strong drive at scrum time. Went straight over the top of it and drew the penalty. And now a chance to look to that far sideline. Ooh, lovely work from Whanganui. Looking to keep it in, engari ai ki te kaiwa wau I whakawhitia e ia te raina. Left winger there just crossing the line. Nō reira hi rārangi ki waho ki ato paora ta whatonu ki taua te kaumita. Line out here for St. Paul's. Close to that 10-metre line. Will be their captain, Hill Brown, to get it in. Kua tāhaitia e Whanganui. Stolen by Whanganui and just knocked on. Did well to get up and tap it away. These slippery conditions just making ball handling a little bit more difficult. Another scrum, this time in favour of St. Paul's. Good shove on the last one. They can do the same here. Be a fantastic kicking position. St. Paul's Kōkiriana driving forward, looking to milk the penalty. Instead, they go to the blind side. Through the hands, Kitawa Pariro, Mato, out to that right-hand side. Shoveled across the touchline. Desperate defence there from Whanganui. Ngari kia rātou te rirohanga. Tonu ki tō rātou ake raina. Still close to their line, so important they can pull this one in. Reset it back. And allow their topatahi, Malo, to put his boot through it. Go to the back of the lineouts. Pulled in nicely from Humphrey. Kani Sao. Ngā tino kaikawe o tēnei tima. One of the best ball carriers for this home side as now they look to get better field position, I should say. Malo. Keireirei te pūkoro. Back in the pocket is the fly half. Thought he might look to clear it away. Instead gives it on the inside to Afamasanga. Keirera noanga maro. Onuana. Maut Onuana ki te pōro. Holding the ball. Still looking to run from their own territory. Dangerous stuff here from Whanganui. So we can see Maben just taking a little bit longer to get back to his feet. Now, dart down the blind side from Putukoro. Engari ia rātou te huanga. Nō reira ka hoki anō. Ki Whanganui ko te āhua nei. E hapa nā hato paura. They had the penalty advantage, looking like a offside call against St. Paul's. E āhua mō rea. Engari tika i te whakamutunga. It was a little bit of a dangerous play there from Whanganui, looking to run that ball out, but in the end, they get the results. And they find touch. Tatatonu ki taua te kaumita. Mana minutes I kua hipa I tēnei au whātua tai. Just 5 minutes gone. Still scoreless. Ki te kia nei tau āhuatanga te rapia ka uaua. Te whai piro I tēnei kēmu. We can already see it might be a difficult one to score in. Those conditions just making running rugby a bit more difficult. Each and every point's going to count. Stolen. Fantastic work at the lineouts from Alex Young. Inoa nei hato paura. Kōkiri ana ki Whanganui. Ka neke ki tēnei tahatata. They'll shift to the near side. Big shot put on. Hadley Thompson. Now resets. Silic. Titiru ki taua tahamataua no. Looks to that right hand side. He reira na ngā nama ki te pariro rā. They've got numbers out on that wing. Little trick ball back on the inside to Hay. Neke tonuana ki taua taha, looking to continue to shift it to that far side, but the pass just going to ground. Now Whanganui. Wakani Sao. Whakarite ani a rātou anō, just setting themselves here. Now they go left. They find space out on the wing, driven back, keeps it in field. Suotiraina just rolls beyond the sideline there. And a little scuffle as well. Plenty of energy from the two teams. And while they sort themselves out, Kianativa, Apollo Projects, Bailey's Celtics, Anchor. And while they sort themselves out, big shout out to all of our sponsors, Anchor, Apollo Projects, Nativa, Bailey's Celtics, supporting our rangatahi and their sports. Special shout out to Anchor, one of the other kaupapa I was privileged enough to be a part of. They sent us some free Primo. I'm not averse to a chocolate milk myself. Would call myself a bit of a connoisseur. Reira mea koutou e whakarongo mai ana. If you guys are listening in, Anchor, wouldn't mind some free dairy for my Saturday morning. Pakakorero, ki ngā kāpene erua. Just a little chat there to the two captains. Laying down the law as Hill Brown and Maben return to their two respective teams. Pahutera keiko nei ngā tima erua ki te whawhai. Signs there that both of these teams are here for the fights. Plenty of pride, but also crucial points on the line. Tika no Mohato Paura. Throw is good for St. Paul's. And now they set the rolling maul, the Konuku. Ia tā te kai o wawi ki ai. Referee says there's a penalty in there against St. Paul's, and he's going to march them back 10. Bit of back chat from the guests is now Whanganui. Get it started up that left-hand side, Boynton. Utukoro. Tukwanoki Whanganui looks to centre it, but a little knock on, say. Muri te Kitsukitsu at the back of the ruck. Frantic stuff from the two teams. Ko rawe katoa te kaiwa wao. E whakatauia rātou katoa. Lovely work from the referee thus far, just to settle them down. Laying down the law, not afraid to march St. Paul's back there. Doing a good job of retaining control of this one. Kakakuri anō ki te pai wehe. St. Paul's. Toro mai ana ki tēnei tātata nei. Stretching out towards this near sideline. Might look to shift it through the hands. There's a much stronger scrum there from Whanganui. Does in the end start to come through from St. Paul's. Whanganui keep their shape. Now the kick goes up. Knocked on. Now when they are hui pōturi ake. Takapāpāhutangi I tēnei wā. I think my stream might be a bit laggy here at Te Whānau. Apologies if my commentary is coming in a little bit slow. Te āhua nei kakakari anō. Kia Whanganui te whāngai. Ko noho rātou ki roto I tō rātou ake haurua mo te nuinga o enei miniti. They've been inside their own half, stuck in their own territory for the majority of these opening minutes. Engari ko kaha rātou. Kaore anō kia Whiwhi Piro me ki, yet to concede any points. They've done well. Can they look to build from this one? No. Another strong scrum from St. Paul's as now they look to get it started. Through their number 8. Lockie Young. Ko karangatia ki oki anō. Ki te kaiwa wao. Told to come back to the referee. Ka titiro rātou ki te tahatata nei. They'll look to this near sideline. Tera pēr ka whakatū I tētai kaunuku anō. We wonder if they might look to set another rolling maul here. Tino kaha te mea tuatahi. They nailed it on the first attempt. Wouldn't be surprised if they go back to the same. Line speed the call. Tera pēr ka ngana rātou ki te neke I te poro. Maybe they'll look to shift it here. No, they do go for that kaunuku. Kōkiri ana ki te raina. Just short. Centimetres left. Ka wai hoki ngā paumuri. They'll leave it to the forward pack to try and drive their way over here. Engari, kua hapa anō. Obstruction the call this time against St. Paul's. Mehengeru. E iwa o Whanganui oranga I tēnei wā. 9 lives like a cat at the moment. Whanganui withstanding each and every wave. And now getting to clear their line once again. And a good kick there from Butukoro. Whakawhiti te raina ki tua. I te paerua te kaumarua mita. Crossed at the sideline just beyond the 22. A few Kimuri. Throw is good to the back of the line out. Collected well by Butukoro. Wakani Sao. Kōkiri ana. Driving forwards. Advantage here for Whanganui. Perhaps a knock on from St. Paul's getting their hands in at ruck time. Naya nei. Butukoro. Katsuko no Kitera Pariro Maui. Up the left-hand side once more. Me te piro hoki te whiu me ki. Not releasing. Fantastic jackal there from St. Paul's. E toana I tētai whiu anō. Kare kore ka titiro ki te taha. No doubt they'll look to the sideline once again. They've been absolutely camped inside Whanganui territory. Yet to find a way through. Tera pēr koe nei te āheinga. Koe nei te wā I pirangi ai rātou. It's got the Fuki Whanganui. Sends it to the middle of the line out. Carrying strongly. Te topa rua. Leighton Birch. Tukono kia wea. Eri manga mi tai toia nai nai, and now just 5 metres left. They've crossed the 5 metre line, in fact. Benjamin, tata ki te raina. Kei reira ngā nama ki te taha matau. Numbers out to the right. I'll leave it to the forwards. Now they look to shift it. Carry and the try. Te piro tuatahi o te kēmu nei ki te kāpene o St. Paul's Collegiate. It is Hill Brown, the captain, who gets the first try from his team. They were patient. Strong build-up play. Penalties stacked up. I reira hoki ia ki te kōkiri kei mua I ngā pou. And there he was with the drive from out in front of the posts. And dives over 5-0 in favour of the visitors. Te whana whakau kei te haere mai mua. And the conversion also to come from out in front. Will be the number 10, Jackson Hay. Good boy. Sika no mai mua. E rua ngā pirua no ki ato Paura. Nails it from out in front. It is now 7-0 in favour of the visitors. Whanganui, ka timata no mai te pai wehe. Hako a taua piro, kare kore ka whai whakatea tēnā rātou. I ēnei minutes I timatanga. Despite that try, there'll be plenty of encouragement from these opening minutes for the boys in whites. Kua rawe, tā rātou mahi ārai. They've been fantastic on defence. They've shown some good ability as well to carry that ball. Tērā pia, katai e rātou, te whakamahi tēnei āhainga kei roto I te haurua o Hato Paura. Te whai piro might be able to use this rare opportunity inside Whanganui territory to find a response. Squino ki taua taha maui, now out to the left-hand side, dropped. Back on the side of St. Paul's now. Good post-contact meters. Kia no ki Whanganui. Juggled, well controlled there by the number 13, Te Tai Tapa. Thompson. Benjamin. Hōkiri ana. Tata ki te rua te kaumarua mita. Good strong contact from Whanganui. It's Mahunga. Pato kai wawi ki ai. Referee says it was a little bit high as now. Te Tai Tapa. Hadley Thompson looking to get off quickly. Catch them off sides. Double blow here. Tērā pē whakatūpato noa. Perhaps just a warning against Whanganui. Nō reira kia mataara. Rātou. Kei ngaruia rātou tētai kai tākaro ki te taha. Gonna have to be careful here lest they lose a man to the sideline. Especially with a drive to come. Going to need to be absolutely spot on. Hill Brown. Hei tuku ki te rārangi ki waho. Captain. Put it into the line-outs for St. Paul's. They send it down the back, and now they drive. Turning and going forward was Gus Weir. Perhaps a bit of a trick play there as now Kimi Minga Kōkiri. The pick and goes for St. Paul's. Suki taha maui. Tino tata. Te pau tūwhera. The open side flanker, Boynton, centimetres away. Looking to get through at the rucker, Whanganui, and they've done it. A few whakahira rawa tūtera, a crucial penalty for the boys in whites. Putting the pressure on at the ketu at the ruck. Whai whiu one up, hea haina. Tukuitaua pōro ki te tahata wāhi. Opportunity now to send that ball to the far sideline and clear some territory. And they do. Te uanga hoki o taua whana. Nā Malo. An absolute hoof from the fly half. Cruz Malo sending that down to the 10-metre line. Mua, send it to the front of the line out, and now Butukoro spinning, going to grounds. Pereira Malo. He tuku kia waka ni Sao. Putu koro. Malo. Kawe kaha ana. Nā awha masanga. Kia rātou hoki te huanga. With the advantage now, ripping it away. Ngari ka hoki anō mō taua few. We'll come back for that penalty. Perhaps just coming off second best there was the captain, Maven. Te ahua nei, ka hoki anō ia ki ona waiwai. Looks like he'll be back on his feet. Showing some good guts there. The Kāpene for Whanganui. Malo. E tērā Putu, roa rau atu with that long boot. Sends it down to the 10-metre line. E rārangi ki wa hoki a Whanganui, kei roto tonu I te haurua o Hato Paora. Now a line-out opportunity for Whanganui inside St. Paul's territory. Crucial they can make something out of this one. Kei reira ngā nama, e toru atu ana ki te tata wāhira. Numbers stretching out to the far side. Might look to shift this one to the wing, but it has been stolen. St. Paul's. Sika no I te rārangi ki waho, nailing it at line-out time once more as now they look to drive it up. Kimuri. Te whana, hei rau atu, the high ball, well controlled at the back for Whanganui. Now the return. Orekau, ngā kaitākaro Kimuri rā, mō Hato Paora. No players at the back there for St. Paul's. Looking to step his way out of trouble. And now shift it. But he's going to get closed down. Managed to get some good post-contact meters there. Did Billy Smythe. Met their few hoki kia Whanganui. And another penalty now for the boys in whites. Building some momentum here. Whanganui strong kicking game. Ko te hiku tērā. It was the fullback Rupert Smith putting the kick in behind the St. Paul's line. Couldn't find a way to clear it away. And the penalty. He rārangi ki waho ki roto I te rua te kaumārua mita o Hato Paora. The first trip inside the 22 for Whanganui Collegiate. Stolen again by St. Paul's. Almost getting through on it with Whanganui. Nai nei Hato Paora. Neke ana ki taua taha matau. And breaking tackles. Te nau te kaumātoru. Strong carry there from the 13, Hadley Thompson. They look to turn defence into attack. Tika tonu engari kua taka. Handling was good up until then, but it has dropped in the end for St. Paul's. That's Whanganui. Te rirohanga anō kua tāhaitia. Oh, e te tira hoki o tēnei kēmu. Can't keep up at the moment, e te whānau. Possession changing once more, now in the hands of St. Paul's. Silic. Te whana ki taua taha matau. Looking for a little chip kick to the right-hand side. Gets as far as the fullback. Smith. Hato Paora. Skuno ki tēnei tātata nei. Now shifting to the near side. Stepping off his left foot. Breaking tackles. Te kai Whitiki. Lovely carry from the lock there. Alex Young. Silic. Ngā ringa. O te pauroto. In the hands of the tight head prop Kennedy. Kei reira ngā nama ki te taha matau. Numbers out to the right. Wheels on the outside. Beats one, beats two. Ball back on the inside. He piro anō. Te nekehanga ki te taha matau. Ngā wira ki te parirau rā. Me te tuku anō ki tōna pukahiwi matau. Shifting it out to the far side. Wheels down the wing. Offload back on his left shoulder. And another try for St. Paul's. 12-0. Wasting no time at all. Carrying that ball out from their own 22. Good strong kicking game. Handling on point despite the wet conditions. Katsuana o rātou pūkenga, showing their skills are the visitors. E te whana whakau kei te haere mai te taha matau. Hey, Mai te Pariraura. Strikes it well. Katsiko Hoki, good boy. Mai te Tahamatau nails it out from the right-hand side. 2 more points to St. Paul's. Te kaumawha ki te kore. The visitors lead by 14-0. Te kaumarua ngā minutes here toia nei tēnei hauru at Suatahi. 12 minutes left here in the first. Just the boys from Hamilton who have grabbed the momentum so far, but Whanganui showing some promise, finding some time inside St. Paul's territory. But as I say that now, a breakaway down the left-hand side. Here goes Smythe, stepping left, right, covered well by Malor. It's a fantastic break. It was fed by De Bruin. Is now St. Paul's looking to break this one open. Te Pou Waho for Lucy. Lucas Hull with a strong carry towards the 5-metre line, shifting it to the left. When it rains, it pours. He piro anō kia hato paura. Another try, this time it is the dummy half, the Hauruarua. Jamie Silic darting into the corner. Te kaumaiwa ki te kore. And as soon as it was 14, it's now 19-0 in favour of St. Paul's. Whanwhakau kei te haere anō mai te taha maui. Whangauri ake. A little bit easier here for the fly half, Jackson Hay. Much easier for the right-footed kicker, going from left to right. Look to draw this one rounds. Kabe up mai te taha maui. Sika te whana, good strike, making its way up. Katsuki ki te Pou just strikes the right hand upright. Anohotonu ki te kaumaiwa, they'll stay at 19. St. Paul's go bang bang. Ball goes up. Mai te timatanga. Good strength there to hold his man. Almost went over backwards, is now Whanganui forced to recover. Diving on it was Smith. Couldn't quite get a hand to it. Kaokia no te Takatsuatahi will come back for the first knock on. It was against St. Paul's. Rekakakori ki te paiwehe will scrum on the halfway line. No, Raraiki Waho, my apologies. That little chip ahead must just cross the line. So we will come back. In fact, with a line out for Whanganui. Gibbs, Katsuku. Ki Whanganui, Putukoro, Malo. Throws the toi by the dummy, and now Afamasanga. Breaking tackles. Tukinai ki Tamaui, now they'll look to shift to the left-hand side. St. Paul's quickly across to shut it down. Going through is the captain, Hill Brown. It'll pick and go. Mai te Hauruarua, ko tāhaiti up, ripped away by the Fitiki, by the lock forward. Gus Weir is now St. Paul's. Once more inroads into Whanganui territory. Just knocking it on, keep the Ketu at the ruck. Reira kakakari anō, engari, o te āhua nei, ke ato paora te mana I tēnei wā. Looking like St. Paul's starting to grab the authority at the moment. Plenty of possession, plenty of forwards momentum. The wero mō te hau kainga a rā mō Whanganui. Te whai whakautu I mui te hauruatanga. A challenge for the hosts to try and find some sort of response before the halftime break. Guritiano, set it in once more. Just beyond the 10-metre line inside the Whanganui half. Set called. St. Paul's get the drive on. Scrum starts to wheel, but it is in the hands of Putukoro. Puts the chip kick, Karere. Kitsui te raina, that one goes out on the full. Mōreira ka hoki anō ki te paiwe hit, will come back to halfway. St. Paul's thought about taking it quickly, but they will set the rārangi ki waho. Te kāpene, Etuku, who will be one of the captains, Jackson Hill-Brown. Send this one in. Tikaki Whanganui. Now through the hands. Breaking up the centre. Off he goes. Keirere o nā hoa. E whanarewa. The little chip kick. It was a fantastic run. Put the kick ahead for himself. The chase did the centre. Hadley Thompson. If we just stop there for a second. Thought there might have been a penalty, but in the end, a lovely kick. E whanapauaka. Nā Putukoro finds the sideline and gets his team a bit of respite. Now they send it in. Paura set the drive. Whanganui looking to not contest and catch them out, but in the end, before he lets things continue. Paura. Now looking to shift it out to the right-hand side. Good strong tackle from the centre, Jack Amon. Oh, what a shot that was from Afamasanga. Stayed down afterwards is now Hato Paura. Tato Nuki te raina. Kimi me te kōkiri. Pick and go here as the forwards look to drive their way through close to the line there. Te Whitiki. Gus Ware. Wangaro. Engari ko te āhua nei he huanga. Kia Hato Paura. So we'll take a quick break. As Afamasanga receives some treatments. Ahenga mō ngā tīma e rua ki te hui. Paku kōroi pāna ki ngā huatango ngā meneti huipa. Chance for the two teams to discuss the minutes that have gone. Whanganui under the pump, St. Paul's with the momentum. Ari koe ki te rātau, ki te tātau me ki. I te pitomata o tēnei haukainga. We've seen the potential for this host side. Get some momentum, string some passes together. Mōreira ka kore ka whakapono tōni rātau, me nā rātau e taia te whai piro mua I te hauruatanga. Ka rere ke katoa te haurua tuarua ke te haere. No doubt they'll be believing if they can find some points before the halftime break. Will be enough to completely change the dynamic of the second period. As Afamasanga makes his way off. Fantastic player. May even have made his way back to the line. Looked like everything he wanted to stay on. It looks like there will be a substitution in the back line for Whanganui. Hoping a speedy recovery for Afamasanga. St. Paul's with the scrum feed. Herimanga mita noa ki te raina, just 5 metres to the line. Darting off the back of the scrum, number 8, Young. Little pick and go once more. Maybe lost forward. Saw the hands on heads for St. Paul's. Referee's arm went up. E aha tā te kaiwawawe ki nei. Te ahua nei kua taka. Assistant says it was knocked on. Kakakrea no engari tēnei wā. Kia Whanganui te whāngai. Will scrum in once more, but this time it will be Whanganui with the feed. Set call, Putukoro. Penalty advantage here for Whanganui. Geez, they've been on the wrong end of a couple of those. They'll be relishing the chance to play with advantage here. It's now St. Paul's getting over the ball. Kahoki anō o te whiu ki te kakarira. Return for the penalty at scrum time. Hangamo Malo. Chance now for fly half. Te Topatahi. Skui Taupa Poro ki te raina to send that ball over the sideline, and he does. Just short of the 22. Throw comes in for Whanganui. Taken down by Maben. Little trick play. No. Stolen by Hatopaura. Is now Benjamin. Kinga ringa te kāpene in the hands of the captain. Back inside for the Fitiki. Young. Tataponu ki te raina. Close to the line. Now the fly half. Dummies. Goes himself. Pereiranga nama ki te tātata nei. They've got numbers on the near side. Crashing over. Te kimi me te kōkiri. Me te piroa no hoki. E tua whā ki a Hatopaura. Rua te kaumawha ki te kore. A fourth try for St. Paul's. 24-0 was the pick and go. And crashing over was Gus Weir. I believe potentially his second for the game. Pare kore ka pirangi ai tētai hat-trick. Hei te haurua tuarua. Te whanawhakahu kei te haere mai te taha. Mai wī nei, te ahua nei. Ka ngā ore aki te mea o mua. A little bit more out in front than the previous one. A bit easier here for Hay. Ka tika hoki, good boy. Mai mua. Rua te kaumā ono ki te kore. 26 now plays nil in favour of Hatopaura. Gonna take it quickly, catch him off guard as Malo. And he does. And now Whanganui. Me te rirohanga kei rotonu I te haurua o Hatopaura with the possession inside St. Paul's territory. Now they shift it. Going to ground is the Fitiki Prouting. Kua tāhaitia anō e Hatopaura, stolen once more by St. Paul's. Aua nei he whara anō kia Whanganui. It's another injury here for Whanganui ko te mea. Te tū manako nei, he mea moruti noa. Hopefully just something minor. Paku koro nā te kai āwhina. A little bit of assistance from the sideline ref. Hera pēr he kāri. Might see a card here. Tai hoa kia ki te ai. In comes Maben. Who's he got alongside him? Whamasanga. He kāri kōwhai. Ki te nama waru o Whanganui Collegiate, I should say. Yellow card going against the Whamasanga. My apologies, that is Wakani Salt. Really not what Whanganui would have wanted to see. Oh my goodness. Forgetting how to speak English, Etefano would have wanted to see. Need to enunciate a little bit better. Before the halftime break, they will come out in the second with 14 men. Haven't found the touchline, however. Now Whanganui look to build out from the back. High ball taken well by Hatopaura. Puana I tētai rima te kaurua, te kaumārua. Looking for the 50-22 was Hay. Set in the hands of the substitute, James Very. Kennedy. Apologies, that was Ormsby into the hands of Humphrey, but it is a penalty for St. Paul's. Te Fitiki. Skukia Silic sends it to his halfback. Looking for another one before the halftime break. St. Paul's looking to shift it. Drops it, but it goes backwards. And now De Bruin goes to ground. Met their few hooky. just going off his feet. Was the clearer. No reira tērā pēr koe nei. Te mai whakamutunga o te haurua nei. Perhaps the last chance to half here for Whanganui as they'll send it over the sideline, set the line out. Get one last effort to try and draw something out of this first period. Pulling it in is Butukoro. Talking about shifting it to the left-hand side, but Malor goes himself. Breaks one, breaks two, breaks three. Puking o hoki o te topatahi o Whanganui. Plenty of skills from the Whanganui fly half. Rikea Hato Paura no te rirohanga as Silic. Happy to play here. St. Paul's. Strong tackle put in on Young. Buonei tētai hua anō no tēnei haurua tuatahi. Looking for even more from this first half. Cleaned up the back for Whanganui. Good carry there from the left winger. Stark. Kautonu ki taua taha maui ko tahaitia anō kia hia ngā wā. He tahai tēnei pōro. I Hato Paura. How many times they going to win those possessions? The visitors absolutely menacing in and around the ruck as now they get out to left-hand side. Kerera te kaipariro Maui me te hokai with the step dragged across the sideline, and Whanganui keep them out somehow. Te ahua nei, koera te whakamutunga o te haurua tuatahi, and that is the end of the first half. It is the manuhiri. Hato Paura e toa ana. Rua te kauma ono ki te kore, 26-0. Engari kau e tawahi e te iwi, don't go anywhere e te whānau. No doubt, still plenty left in this one in the second half. We'll be back soon.
Kei te ngaro haere au ki roto ki tēnei ao Pākehā.
Ko tā te waka ma he whakakaha I taku hononga ki te ao Māori.
Ka whaitake aku whia ko Pauri, hei whakamana I taku ana mata.
Mā tō raura ki MāORI Plus.
Funding is a real challenge. We know that a lot of schools face that ongoing, and the reality is if you go to a lower decile school in New Zealand, you are less likely to be able to afford to participate in sport.
Obviously, having come through it myself with kids and being one of those kids myself who played sport, I know how much it defined who I was. And now being able to go, I can't fix it all, but we can help and try and give to those people who are going through tough times. It's a real privilege, but you know, for us, we want to see others getting involved in this. This is not a selfish thing for Apollo. This is about how can we get, whether it's construction or other businesses, to get involved in this.
There's a lot of things that kids miss out on, and so to have businesses step up and want to be involved and to help is a game changer for schools. It really is.
What makes Bailey's altogether better? It's the energy we bring to every home, every commercial property, every investment, every development, and every farm. Because when the energy is right, you can feel it. Bailey's, altogether better.
Action! You might know us as rugby players.
Or that out-the-gate couple that pop up on your socials.
But what you might not know, holy shit, about to have a baby. We need help.
You need help, I'm alright.
Sheree and Gillies ki MāORI Plus me whakaata MāORI.
Hey! Sport is about more than just the game. It's about going from teammates to best mates. It's the high fives and helping hands. It's learning when to back yourself or back your buddies. It's actually being excited to get out of bed early on a Saturday. Sport is about more than just the game. That's why Caltex is proud to help fuel school sports.
The forest should never have been taken off the steep hill country that's eroding, and it makes absolute sense to afforest those hills. What we're doing here is using the exotics to help that process get established. We're looking at a managed transition process where those pines are progressively thinned as the native understory establishes. We're trying to do several things here. Soak up carbon, establish native forest, and we're trying to improve biodiversity. You're achieving an awful lot with one program of activity.
Hey, Stefano, look who's in the house.
From the park to the city, stories told our way. Stream it, cast it, carry it with you. Download MāORI Plus on your devices.
He te whānau nau mai hoki mai anō ki tēnei kēmu he kakarawa atu kei Whanganui, Whanganui rātou ko Hato Paora. Welcome back to this exciting fixture between Whanganui and St Paul's. Still plenty of time left for the home side. He uaua tērā haurua tuatahi. Difficult first half. Scoreline doesn't quite reflect it. 26-0 seems strong, but plenty of opportunity for Whanganui. Kore ka whakapautono rātou ka taia e rātou te whai tētai hua mai tēnei kēmu. No doubt they'll still be believing they can get a result from this one. Tira ki te taho o ngā manuhiri. Ko Hato Paora. Tō rātou ka tō rātou pūkinga rau hoki. Their physicality and their skills, the difference in the first period. 4 tries, 3 converted, leaving them in a strong position here. Engari ko te mea nui, I hēnei momo kēmu, kia whakapono tonu. Most important thing in these times of games is you just have to keep believing. It's never too big of a mountain to climb. There's always going to be another mountain. They're always going to want to make it move. It's always going to be an uphill battle, but hopefully today they're not going to have to lose. Whanganui. What can they do here? Sorry, Stefano. Sometimes I crack myself up. I really am too good at this job. For all of you Hannah Montana fans out there, you get what I'm on about. Kora tētai oku tino mahi, mea ki, nia hau e noho ana ki Tāmaki Makaurau. One of my favourite things to do here in beautiful Tāmaki Makaurau. Te oma ki runga ia maunga keke, whakarongo ana ki taua waiata. To run up One Tree Hill, listening to that song, gets me going, gets the heart rate pumping. Mena e noho ana koe ki Tāmaki Makaurau. If you also live in Auckland, give it a go. Doing the climb, listening to the climb. Fantastic way to spend your Saturday afternoon. Engari ko te mea matua. Kia mātakitaki tēnei kēmu I te tuatahi. Make sure you do that after watching this one. Stick around for the next 35 for some more fantastic Futu Portal action. Hato Paora. Ka tumata no mai te pai wehe. And we'll get underway from the halfway line. It will be their number 10, Jackson Hay. To put the ball in. Hasn't gone 10 metres. No reira ko te ahenga tuatahi o te haurua nei kia Whanganui. First opportunity of the second half here for the home side as they will call the scrum. Tino ka te kakari o Hato Paora I taua haurua tuatahi. Strong work at the scrum from Hato Paora in the first half as we've seen a couple substitutions for Whanganui. Number 17, Benjamin Karatau. And the number 18, Isaac Ashworth, providing some reinforcement at scrum time. Look to see if those boys can make the difference. Te āhua nei kua haere, te kāpene. Arā ko Maben ki te taha. Looks like the captain, Charlie Maben, may have had to be subbed off during the halftime break for Whanganui. Interesting to see how they can carry on. Down a player as well, Wakani Sal, still on the sideline. Strong scrum there, however, as Smith looked to put the kick through, charge down. Offside call against Hato Paora. Tā wareware ia hau tau āhuatanga te kaumā whānoa ngā kai tākaro o te tahau kainga. Nā tērā ko kari kōwhai me ki I mua te hauruatanga. Just 14 players on for the home team after that yellow card just before the halftime break for Wakani Sao. Ora ka hoki anō ia. Hei te miniti tua ono tua whetū pea. Be back on in either the 6th or the 7th minute. Reinforce his team. Raraiki waho ki o Whanganui. Ki te taha mau I rā. Line out here for Whanganui on the left-hand side. As they now go to the back. Atega hoki. Utukoro. Malo. The little toipa. Running hard with Smith. Tsuki ana ki te raina crashing into the line. Gibbs. Looking to get over the top of it. Hato Paora me te tāhai hoki. Te āhua nei. Te rapea I uruma I te taha. Perhaps no offside. Thought they might have entered in from the side of the ruck there. But in the end, just getting up off their line. Whanganui. Hea hainga ki te whai pero. Ahakoa te ngarohanga o Taiwa. Kai tākoro rā. Chance for Whanganui to find their first points of the game despite being down a man. What a statement that would be here in the second half. Goes to the front of the line out. Well taken by Karato. Kua tāhaitia anō. E hato petara. Hato Paora me ki. Absolutely ruthless stuff at the breakdown for St. Paul's as they've stolen it, but they've dropped it. E kakare anō kia Whanganui. E rima ngā mita noa ki te paipiro. A scrum to Whanganui, just 5 metres out from the try line. I told you there's plenty left in this game. If they can get a try here, pull that margin back, get Wakani Sao back on the field. E te whānau. Kia matara ki tēnei tima no Whanganui. Hato Paora. Taking a man out of the scrum. So it will be 7 on 7. Interestingly enough, Whanganui. Good shove. Atsuki ki te taha matau. Smith. Kua taka anō. Inaia nei Hato Paora. Kangana ki te oma mai tō rātau ake rua te kaumārua mita. But they've knocked it on. Handling errors from both sides, but at the moment, Whanganui profiting from a bit of messy whetūpōro. E kakari anō kia rātau, kei roto tonu I te rua te kaumārua mita. Still inside the 22. Utukoro. E te whāngai tera pēr ka tisiro ki taua taha matau rā. Seems to be looking out to that right-hand side. Might look to shift to the wing here. No, they go left instead. Smith. Little ball to Eamon. Almost finding a way down the left-hand side was Ormsby. Utukoro. Gibbs. Utukoro anō. Atsuku kia malo. Ki te kai whakawhiti with the substitute. Karato. Picked up and driven back. And St. Paul's look to drive over the top once more, and they have done. Ripped away by Whanganui. Game of tennis here, the ball bouncing back and forth in the end. Whanganui, me te rirohanga. Karato. Ball kiri ana ki te rua te kaumārua mita. Just driving to the 22-metre line. Me te whiu hoki, and an offside and a double blow. Third or fourth offside here against Hato Paora. Tērā pēr he whakatūpato noa. Just a warning. Ei a tērā whiu ka ngaruia rātou tētai kai tākaro. Next penalty, they'll be losing a man to the bin. Right as Wakani Sao makes his way back on. The twists and turns of this fixture, E te whānau. What can Whanganui do here? As Malo looks to the sideline. Also see the reserve halfback, Kobe Simmons, just warming up on the sideline. Te rapea he whakawhiti te haere. More Whanganui, perhaps a substitution not too far away for the boys in whites. Putukoro would love to head to the sideline with a try to his name. Tukuki Whanganui, now Karatau. Kōkiri ana. Just centimetres away, but he's knocked it on. Nō reira kakakari anō ki te rimamita. Will set in for the scrum on the 5 metre line with Wakani Sao back on the fields. Still good field position, still good territory. Kakari tino whakahirira tēnei kia Whanganui. Crucial scrum here for the boys in white. Two hands in the air, just an issue with the set there. Nō reira, Pakukoru te kaiwa wao. Ki ngā raina e rua. Just a quick chat to the two respective packs. Ka tau anō. Whanganui Collegiate, proud rugby school, producing great names such as the famous David Kirk, World Cup winning captain in 1987, chairman of New Zealand Rugby. Tētahi o te rāri ingoa roa rawatu, kua putai tēnei kura rangatira, just one of a long list of names to come from this fantastic school. And on the side of St. Paul's, names like Samasoni Tokiaho, kura tētai ahuatanga tino pai o tēnei taumata, te whutupōro, te aheinga kite I ngā whetsu ua pōpō on the fantastic aspects of this level of rugby. The opportunity to see the stars of tomorrow. No doubt some of these boys will be adding to that list, those lists of names I should say, in the years to come. So we can see the number 19, Kobe Simmons, on for Whanganui. E tai whakawhiti ki te taha o Hato Paura. Some substitutions as well for St. Paul's. Victor McLeod. I'll let you know the second name as soon as I see him. Looks to be the halfback, James Very. Whana teitei rau atu, bit of a miscomm at the back. A knock on. And a clash of bodies as well. Reira ka kakari anoa Hato Paura. Ki te kaumita o Whanganui. Scrum once more on the 10 metre line of Whanganui. E nā, no āwhereka ki te tonga koe, kaore kore karata pai koe ki tēnei āhuatanga. If you're a SAF supporter, you'll be loving the second half. Scrums and high balls galore. Rugby well known to the teams from that specific corner of the world. Te whiu anō. And another penalty at scrum time for St. Paul's Collegiate, and marching them back 10 metres. Bit of back chat from the hosts as now Hato Paura. Tsukaro ki tēnei tahatata nei, they'll send it to the near side, stepping up his left foot is De Bruyne. Strong tackle now with the penalty advantage. E te huanga hoki. Young. Eri Mangami tai toiana, just 5 metres left. Tukano ki te rataha Mauira. They'll send it out to that left-hand side once more. De Bruyne steps back on the inside. Ngā paumua kōkiri ana ki te raina me te piro hoki. Te piro tuari mo te kēmu nei kia Hato Paura. A 5th try in the fixture for St. Paul's. Looks to be the number 7, Rory Boynton, coming up with it. Toru te kaumātahi ki te kore. Ngā manuhiri e rere ana. The visitors flying at 31 points to 0. Te whana whakahu kei te haere mai te tahata wahira. Conversion to come from the far side. He's been fantastic so far, has Jackson Hay. Taking 3 from 4. Can he make it 4 from 5? Good strike. Gets it up, gets it over. Good boy. Katsika Anō. He's on point at the moment. The only miss he's had was off the right hand upright. He's been there and thereabouts, and he continues to pile on the points. 33 points to 0. Squano mai te pai wehe, just misjudged, getting up and almost stealing it. Was the number 18 for Whanganui, Isaac Ashworth. Couldn't quite get his hands on it, as we've seen. Pretty much a full bench clear out here for Whanganui. Looking to their substitutes to find the difference. Getting over the top of it, in and around the ruck, were Hato Paura. And a couple of friendly discussions afterwards. Sorted out between themselves. Hato Paura, substitutions once more coming in from the St. Paul's bench. Looks to be Ngāpou Erua. 2 props coming in, perhaps. Kahotea and Kibi. And some appreciation, I should say, from the sideline for those 2 players. The tight head. Kibi at loose head. Much stronger scrum there for Whanganui is now Hato Paura. Sukano ki taua taha maui. Kei reira ngā āputa ki te pariroura. Ship ahead, looking to chase now. Smythe dribbling towards the sideline. It's still in, it's still going. Forced to go all the way back. Whanganui, Stark. Me te whiu hoki ki a Hato Paura. Te whana, te whai, te whiu. Kick, chase, penalty. Nailing each and every part of the game at the moment are the visitors. And Whanganui, kei tō rātou raina anō. Pakuhui, kei Whanganui ngā kaiwa wāwerua. E hata raiwa. E kōrero nei. Interesting to see what they're discussing here. Tera pia he kāri anō. We see another card here against Whanganui. Tai hoa kia ki te ai. Looks to be Eamon, the captain, in the absence of Mabin. And Stark. Ana, he kāri kōwhai anō I tēnei wā kia Lockie Stark. Another yellow card against Whanganui, this time against the left winger Lockie Stark, and the penalty try. Dead set 7 once more for St. Paul's. Wā te kau ki te kore, 40 points to 0. Katsumata mai te pai wehe. Ruhu te kau ngā minutes here toi rei tēnei kēmu. Still 20 minutes left in this one. Whanganui will be searching for that bonus points if they can string together some tries here. Katsumata mai tō rātou ake haurua. Malo. Hato Paura looking to drive through over the Ketsu. Meri kia Whanganui tonu. Little pick and go there from the number 15, Rupert Smith. Ka pērā no Te Whitiki, Prouting. No Humphrey. Hei aha te tuku. No use for passing at the moment, and now they do. Simmons. Niki ki te taha. Pata nei. Eamon stepping off his left, breaking one, breaking two. Almost getting through a third. Whanganui. Tata ki te raina. Kōkiri anō ana. Te Pautūwhera. Charlie Ross. Nearing the line here. Simmons. Ordering his troops around, and now they look to shift to the right-hand side. A little offload out the back door. Jeez, it was a speculative passing. Ngari ia rātou te huanga. Ka hoki anō ki Whanganui. Getting underway quickly, not wasting any time. Whanganui maintaining possession. Tatatonu ki te raima. Not far from the line here. It's now the number 17, Karatau. Kia no ki te tahatata nei. Near side again, Smith. Squanoki Whanganui. Centimetres, met te huanga hoki, and the penalty advantage. Gibbs. Tino tatai naia nei. Oh, so close. Will they shift to Ross? They do. Te Hawkeye, mai tōna. Wai Maui steps off his left foot. Tsukwanoki Whanganui. Centimetres here for Whanganui. It would be a well-deserved try for the hosts. Wakani Sao to get it back to Simmons. They had that advantage now. Wakani Sao looking to crash his way over, and he does. Te pero tuatahi o te kēmu nei ki o Whanganui, nā te nama waru from the number 8, Seremaya Wakani Sao. He's played a strong one today, and in the end finds his rewards. Whā te kau ki te rima, 40 plays 5. And now an opportunity for MΑORI. Mai te taha maui. Good boy. Katika no Whātekau ki te whitu. 40 plays 7 as Whanganui find some reward for all of their efforts. They've done the mahi, and now they get the treats. Will be the number 21 for Hato Paora, Harry Kilmister, who's made his way onto the field, so a full bench clear out for the visitors. Thompson, Kahotea, Kibbe, McLeod, Very, Kilmister, all making their way on. Leave Van Helleman also finding time on the field. Harangi ki waho, ki o Whanganui, ki taua Paiwehe. Line out here for Whanganui on the halfway line. Throw goes in. Katsikoki. And now Whanganui. Tsukukita tātata nei Wakani Sao, the try scorer. Simmons. Ka neke tonu ki tēnei taha nei. They'll keep shifting it to this side. Kennedy. O matonu ana, still running. There's the tight head prop. Boynton. Looks to release. All dribbling around, no knock-on called. Young. Wakani Sao. Ormsby. Boynton. Neke ana I te poro. Shifting the ball here. Ngā Whanganui. Once more. Gibbs. Apologies, that was Charlie Ross, the Po2 fitter. The open side flanker. Looking to get it started quickly was Rupert Smith. Referee calls him back. And Malou ends it across the near sideline. E rera tonu ngā kai tautoko. Aino atu ki te mutunga. Plenty of sideline support still here for Whanganui right up until the end. As it looks like number 5, Fergus Prouting, makes his way to the sideline. Tira pia te kaumā whā noa. Ngā kai tautoko, kai tākaro me ki. No, it will be Gibbs, I believe, to make his way back on for Whanganui Collegiate. In fact, Harry Sherritt, the loose head prop. So now they're going to have someone out of position playing in the lock position. Now they centre it. Malo Wakani Sau. E hiake nei ngā wā kua kākoro tia tonu tia taua ingoa. How many times has that name been said and how many times will it continue to be mentioned? The number 8 for Whanganui putting in an absolute stellar performance here. Is now the hau kainga. Whakatuatu ana ki taua rua te kaumārua mita. Getting close to that 22-metre line. Te kaumārua ngā minutes e toi ana. 12 minutes left as now they look to add to that 7 points. Humphrey. Simmons. Sherritt anō. Simmons. Malo. The Paura looking to drive through at the breakdown. Well controlled in the end by Whanganui. Sherritt. Me te whiu ki a hato Paura. And they will get a chance to look to the sideline once more. Kilmister finds touch. Orera he rārangi ki wahua no ki hato Paura mai te tātata nei. That will be the captain, Jackson Hill-Brown. No rest for him in this game as he will feed it in once more. C924. I think that means throw the ball to me. As he does receive it. And now Hopo Paura. On the ground through Very. Stolen by Whanganui. They've been under attack in and around the ruck, but this time they get the steal. Iane Simmons. Here Ross. Wakani Sau. Gibbs ki te taha maui. Looking to get it way down the left-hand side. Ia rātou te huanga no hoki. Offside again, Hato Paura. Struggled with their line speed so far in the game. Once more pinged. Whanganui. Atsukanoi te ball ki te kokonara. They'll send the ball once more to the corner. So we can hear someone's brought a foghorn. Not sure why they waited until the 60th minute to ring it, but glad to hear that it's in action. Iwa ngā miniti, he toi nei tēnei kēmu. Just 9 minutes left now. Can Whanganui find another try? It's Gibbs. Simmons wants the penalty. Got a fight. Reka tukanoki Whanganui Sao. Little knock on in there for Whanganui is now St. Paul's. Looking to get away down the left-hand side. The Kapene. Oma Tonuana. Running like a back at the moment. Here's the captain. Hill Brown. Nika no Whatatanei. Finding gaps is the Hiku. Fullback lays it off to McLeod. Kuataka. It has been knocked on. Fantastic breakaway stuff there from St. Paul's, but in the end, just goes astray. Will be Ikakari anō kia Whanganui, kei tō rātou ake rua te kaumarua mita. Simmons, me te whāngai. Kōkiri ana. Ahato Paura, Whanganui Sao, Ormsby. Big shot on him, but he gets a fantastic kick away. Almost a 50-22. E toru e whāpea noa ngā mita ki te taha tatanei. Only 3 or 4 metres out from the near side, but he gets about 30 metres distance on it. Absolutely fantastic. Mai te kai whakawhiti no Whanganui. St. Paul's to the middle of the line out once more. Katsuki taua taha, Mauira, e whai aputa noana, finding gaps once more. Te tai tapa, the centre, Hadley Thompson. And now they look to reset. Man, he's already got a brace, as Gus Weir. Can he make it 3? Through the hands. Alex Young bumps one off and keeps going. With Tahaitia e Whanganui, stolen now by the home side as Kennedy just keeps running. You cannot slow him down. As Whanganui, Kawhiwhi Piro, ki te kaumita, they will receive a penalty on the 10-metre line. Over here, titiro ki te tihate o Kennedy. Parauriaki te mā. It's more brown than white. He has been absolutely everywhere. In at the ruck, popping up on both wings, strong at the scrum, and still going. Almost 70 minutes into this game. Monumental shift. Nā te pauroto o Whanganui Collegiate. Line out stolen by Hato Paura. Katsumata Terete look to go quick, just off the mark. And will in fact have to come 10 metres in field. As now they look to shift it through the hands. Ki taua taha Maui anō have had success down the left-hand side, and now Van Helleman has found his way on, he's lost it. Whanganui still running hard. Through Ross. Simmons kia Whanganui Sao, he whiu anō ki Hato Paura. Another penalty to St. Paul's. Once more looking to go quick, just off the mark. Kia no Kimuri, e whāngā meneti atoe ana I tēnei kemu. Just 4 minutes left in this one. Moreria tātou e whakatata ki te mutungo te kemu nei, me mihi ka tika ki ngā kaitau toko katoa tēnei kaupapa. Tira kia Celtics, Bailey's, Apollo Projects, Nativa, Anchor. Kia whakāta MāORI Plus e pāpāhuana I tēnei whakataitai katoa ki ngā kokona e whāo Aotearoa whānui. E kore ake rātou katoa e kore tēnei whakataitai e tū. Tira me kore ake a whakāta Māori. E kore e nei kēmu e pāpāhotia. Nō reira me mihi ka tuku kia rātou katoa e whakatua rānei o tātou. Hā kinakina mea rātou rangatahi. And a big shout out, of course, to all of our sponsors, Bailey's, Apollo Projects, Celtics, Nativa, Anchor, and their fantastic chocolate milk. And a big shout out as well to Whakaata MāORI Plus, broadcasting all of these games live and on demand across Aotearoa. Showing so much great support for our rangatahi, for their whutupōro, and for this wonderful competition of the Central North Island First 15. And now St. Paul's looking to bust up the centre through their Kapene, Hill Brown. And now breaking tackles, Very. Their whanahei fight. Kicks it ahead for the chase. Malo does well to clean it up. Reira no Hatopaora not releasing, as now they look to go fast through McLeod. Weir. No Tata Wahira. They'll shift it to the far side just a little bit high. It was a good shot from Wakani Sao. And a little bit of afters as well from the number 21, Harry Kilmister. To be honest, looking at that matchup, if I was the 21 for St. Paul's, I would back up a little bit quicker than he did there. Wakani Sao is no small man. Whakakororo Rauerua. Ki te kaiwa wao. I'll have a quick chat to the referee. Perhaps a handshake. All's well that ends well. Kōrero tonuana, terapea e āhua kohete. Perhaps a little bit of a scolding there from the referee, Kilmister. Makes his way back to his team, and Wakani Sao does the same. It will be a few kia Whanganui, thanks to the afters. The home side getting the penalty. He rua ngā meneti e toina I tēnei kēmu. Terapea nei te āhenga whakamutunga o Whanganui ki te whai piro. Perhaps a final opportunity here for Whanganui to find a try. Just 2 minutes left. Rārangi ki waho, kia Whanganui, ki tō rātou ake te kaumita. Line out here for the team in white on their own 10-metre line. Ko Waiatu. Te kaikape, who else but their starting hooker, William Gibbs. Hasn't looked like slowing down, and he now throws it in to the back of the line outs for Devane. Can't find him, and now Whanganui. Neke ana ki tēnei taha tata nei. Shifting it to the near side, the chip ahead. Just a little bit strong. He was up and after it. Was the number 21, Harry Kilmister. Ari rārangi ki wahano kia Whanganui. Kei roto tonu I tō rātou ake rua te kaumārua mita. Another throw out here. Throw out. Oh my goodness, line out here for Whanganui inside their own territory. And perhaps a bit of cramp as well for their kai parirau Maui, Lockie Stark. Sideline giving a little bit of stick there to poor Smythe, saying injured himself. Man's on the ground. Give him some sympathy. Yeah. Te wāti, e pau one up as the time runs out on this one. Te āwenei koenei te mai whakamutunga o te kēmu. Looks like this will be the final play of the game. Ko te tūmanako nei he mea moruti noa tērā, more Stark. Hopefully nothing major for the left winger, and Butukora will come on, the halfback, and get a little bit of time in the wide channels. Hatopaora pulling it down, looking for the panireka. Ki runga I tēnei keke, looking to ice the cake here. As now they shift it. Breaking tackles, haere tonu ana ki ngā pou. Ko Waiatu I te tai tapa, who else but the number 13 for St. Paul's, Hadley Thompson. Broke the first tackle, showed plenty of wheels directly in underneath the posts. Koira te whakamutsinga o te kēmu nei, kua whakakapi I tētahi tū pairau atu no hato paura. Tops off a fantastic performance for St. Paul's. Will be more than likely 47-7 in favour of the visitors. Whai muri tēnei whana a ka tika hoki. And he nails it. Wha te kau ngā piro te rerekētanga I te whakamutunga engari me mihi ka tika ki ngā tima e rua. Kua mauri mai e rātou te ngā o te whawhai ki tēnei kēmu. Engari te mutunga kaharawa a hato paura, 40 points the difference. Big shout out to both teams, especially to Whanganui. They've brought the fights, they've brought the energy, but in the end, the visitors just too strong, taking it out by 47 points to 7. That is us here from Whanganui. An exciting fixture once more in the Central North Island competition. Still wanting a little bit more for Tuporo. Tūtonuana e tai atu kēmu ki tēnei whārangi nei. Some more action going on across the Whakata Māori YouTube channel. Go and check out the Super 8s, Central North Island fixtures to continue strongly on this beautiful Saturday afternoon. Engari e hoa mā. It has been my privilege to watch this one alongside you. As always, my name is Toby, and I will see you. Hei Aotearoa wiki.